Hello guys, welcome to Little Neutron. Today I will introduce you to my new friend Otto. Say hello Otto. Otto is a smart robot. It can dance, also express its feelings. In this tutorial we will learn how to make it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, we will 3D print all its parts. I will provide the link for this in description below. After the 3D printing is complete, we will remove all the extra parts from the 3D printed parts. Carefully remove the extra material. Make sure not to damage the main parts. Remember to clean the floor if you don't want to get in trouble by your mom. After finishing, it will look like this. The servo motors that we will be using are MG90S metallic gear servo motors. We will be using 4 pieces. Set all the servo motors at 90 degrees. You can use a servo motor tester to do it. We will start the assembly process with its legs. Pass the servo motor wire from the upper side of the leg and place the servo motor at the bottom side. Now tighten it with a screw. Now attach the leg to its foot. Now repeat the same process for the other leg and foot. Now attach the servo motor arms to its legs. Now we will place 2 servo motors at the lower part of its body. And then tighten them with a screw. Now attach both of its legs to its lower part of the body. Carefully pass all the servo motor wires. To make the sound, we are using 5V active buzzer. Attach 2 wires at its positive and negative terminals and make sure to remove the sticker before placing it. The main brain of this robot is Arduino Nano. It is a programmable microcontroller. We will also use Arduino Nano extension shield. It gives various output and input voltages. We will place Arduino Nano on it. We will use a pair of 2S AA cell holder. We will attach it in series to get an output of 6 volt. To turn the robot on and off, we will use these micro switches. Connect the first terminal of the switch to the positive terminal of the battery holder and the other terminal to the VIN pin of the extension shield and the negative terminal of the battery holder to the negative terminal of the extension shield. I will provide the link for this diagram in the description below. Place the battery holder on its place and attach the servo motor wires on the extension shield according to given diagram. Attach the positive terminal of the buzzer to the digital pin 13 and negative terminal of the buzzer to the negative terminal. To control Otto with our Android phone, we will use HC05 Bluetooth module. Connect it accordingly. Now it's time for upper body part. We will use ultrasonic sensor for obstacle detection. Place it on front side of the upper part. And then attach it to the extension shield accordingly. Now place this complete extension shield to its upper part. Now we will need 4 pieces of AA cells. Place them in the battery holder. Now turn on the switch and see if LEDs are blinking or not. If yes, then we have a successful connection. Now finally, it's time to close the Otto robot. Carefully place the Bluetooth module and close its head. Now this is the final look of our robot. To run this robot, we will need to program it first. To program this robot, first we will need to connect the USB cable. Then connect this USB cable to your laptop and open Arduino IDE. Then go to Sketch, Include Library, Add Zip Library. I will provide a link for this library in description below. Find the library Otto DIY and click on Open. Within 2 to 3 seconds, your library will be included. It shows this error because I have already imported it. Now go to Files, Examples and search for Otto DIY Live and select Otto app. Now this is our complete code. Just go to Tools, Boards and select Arduino Nano. Select the COM port and just click on Upload button. Wait for this code to be uploaded. After the uploading is complete, disconnect the USB cable. Now it's time to pair the Otto with our Android phone. Turn on the Otto and search for new pairing device. Here wait for HC05. Click on HC05 and the password is 1234. All these HC05 Bluetooth modules have the same password. Now we will open our main Otto robot app. I will also provide a link for this in description. Here again search for HC05. Click on it. When you see connected, click on Done. Now you can see that Otto is perfectly working. Later on, you can replace its battery with a rechargeable battery pack. I will use these 18650 cells. They both are connected in series to get a total of 8 volt. and also connected with a 2S BMS battery management system. It protects the battery from overcharge and discharge. And one more thing to tell you, I have cut all the positive terminal of the servo motors and joined them together and attached a voltage regulator. LM7806, this is a 6 volt voltage regulator, and also attach a voltage divider circuit. This circuit just consists of 3 resistors, just like this. This is because the RX pin of the IC05 work on 3.3 volt while Arduino gives 5 volt. Now close the auto robot. If you want to charge the auto robot, you can charge it from external 9 volt charger. Now our auto is 100% perfectly working. Due to these both fixes, now you won't face the disconnectivity of auto robot from the Android phone and enjoy playing with this robot.